Good Wednesday morning, everyone. Meteorologist Stone Schaefer here with your August 28th 1-minute forecast. Satellite and radar shows clear skies for much of the state, but cloud cover starting to build itself from the west to the east mostly, and that doesn't surprise us in front of that cold front or that front that is going to roll through here in the next couple hours. We look out there to the west, and we can see pretty prominently where that low pressure system is. Right around here in northern Montana, you have that snow out there sort of on the backside of this spinning low, and then you have that rain sort of tail of that low pressure system. That's where we're going to start to see isolated showers and thunderstorms start to develop as it moves into a more viable atmosphere here in central North Dakota and eastern North Dakota. We take a look at the SPC outlook for today. A marginal risk out to the east, the north, and to the west, with a slight risk through the central and eastern portions of the state, really US 2 down south into central South Dakota into the 83 corridor and into that corridor between Devils Lake and Jamestown south. Now, threats for this system come in two waves. The first sort of few hours of development will be more individual cells, and that's where we'll see that chance of tornadoes, a hail up to about 2.5 inches, maybe up to 3 plus, and then winds up to 70 miles per hour. Those will most likely come later in the day. Once that cold front really catches up to the development, it'll become more of a linear setup, and that's where we'll see wind chances start to increase. Now, will there still be hail and a possible tornado chance? Yes, but it's a lot smaller, maybe smaller hail, about an inch, inch and a half. Now, PrecisionCast is showing us we have this chance of rain start to increase right around 4 to 5 p.m. We can see it up here to the north central, northwest, and will continue to develop along this 83 corridor. Now, there's still a lot of debate. How far south will it stretch? Will it stretch into northern and central South Dakota? And will it develop east or west of 83? Because some of the models now from the latest updates are showing now on the west side of 83 instead of this east side that we see here. But again, we'll start off as individual cells, become that line right around 8, 9 p.m., and this continue to move east. Now, it may struggle into the eastern half of the state. We'll see how things sort of develop there. But there could be more development on the backside as that low continues to spin up. And then by Thursday, we should dry off. So remember to tune into KX News at noon, where I'll be going over more of the weather threats for today and much more.